Here's how to fix high ping and lag in Valorant quickly. Step 1. Restart your router and PC. Turn off your router or modem and wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Restart your computer as well. This refreshes your network connection and can fix temporary latency issues. Step 2. Reset network settings in Windows. Press Windows plus I, go to Network and Internet, Status, then scroll down and click Network Reset. Click Reset Now and confirm. Your PC will restart and restore network settings to default, fixing misconfigured connections causing lag. Step 3. Close background apps using bandwidth. Press Ctrl, Shift, Escape to open Task Manager. Check for apps like browsers, downloads, or streaming apps that may be consuming bandwidth. Right-click them and select End Task. Freeing bandwidth helps Valorant maintain a stable connection. Step 4. Run Riot Client as administrator. Right-click Riot Client and select Run as administrator. Sign in if prompted, then launch Valorant. Running as administrator ensures proper network permissions for the game. Step 5. Check for Windows updates. Press Windows plus I, go to Windows Update and click Check for Updates. Install any pending updates and restart your PC if required. Updates can include network fixes and improve overall system performance. After performing these steps, your ping should stabilize and Valorant lag should be reduced, allowing smoother gameplay. Subscribe for more professional Valorant fixes and PC troubleshooting guides.